I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be using Sunshine and Sunset coloured acrylics as well as Blizzard white, and I'll also be using clear holo glitter, crystal clear acrylic and a few other items as well. So I've started off and I've got my nail tips on my practice hand, and I'm going to show you guys the powders up close and personal first. So today's video I'm going to be using the pastel pink aqua brush in a size 12, and it's back in stock, so go and check out if your size is in. I can't quite remember which ones are in and aren't, but I'll leave the link down below for you guys to check out. So I'm first going in with Blizzard white at the tip area, and for this design I'm doing a candy corn, and you guys will see why it turned out to be a fail. You probably already can tell by the actual thumbnail on the video. But yeah, it was kind of crazy. And it's not even funny because I looked at so many freaking pictures beforehand to make sure that I got my colours all correct. But you know, life happens, so we just rolled with it. So as you can see, I am applying that Blizzard white all the way on the free edge to just over halfway up the nail, and I'm just making sure that that line where the colour finishes is quite diffused and it's not a solid line, just because I wanted it to blend nicely with the next colour that I laid down. Also, by applying the white first and allowing it to set, we are going to make sure that that white stays white and it doesn't kind of mix with any of the other pigment from the colours that I apply next. Like seriously, yellow? That is not okay. You guys know that the candy corns, it is not white then yellow then orange. It is white, orange then yellow. And I swear to God, I looked at so many pictures to get the friggin' colours the right order. Did that work? No. I just got carried away, obviously. Thinking I was doing like an ombre. Obviously you do the light colour, then the next lightest colour, and then the darkest colour. So that's kind of what I was rolling with. I literally finished, came to apply my foils on this set, and I looked at a picture and I was like, what? How the hell did that even happen when I didn't even plan it? But anyway, I rolled with it, rocked it out. I still feel like it turned out pretty okay. It would have been better if it was the proper way around, but hopefully I'll get a chance to do a proper candy corn set in the near future. So as you can see, I'm applying Sunshine next to the white acrylic and just making sure to blend that down. I do want to make sure that there are some white bits exposed at the tip, so if I do pull that yellow down too far, I'm just brushing it off with some extra monomer on my brush and using it very wet and just wiping away that pigment. After I've applied the yellow, I'm coming in with Sunset, which is a rich metallic orange, and I'm just blending that, applying it at the cuticle area and blending it down into that yellow acrylic just to get a nice soft gradient. Now, I wasn't too fussed about getting the ombre perfect with this set because I knew that I was applying clear holo over the top, and our clear holo glitter is so beautiful. It really just adds a pop of sparkle to any colour, but also if you've done an ombre, it's such a, like, I would say forgiving glitter, but that's not the, I think that's kind of what I'm saying, but I don't really know. It kind of masks a lot of sins, do you know what I mean? Like if you've not quite got that blend, you pop clear holo over the top and everything can be forgotten. Your design looks bomb as fuck again. So yeah, the blend was cool, could have been cooler. Hey ho, let's go. So I'm just going to repeat this process on all of the other nails, and then I'll be back to apply the glitter. If you haven't already, guys, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe and turn on that notification bell to be notified as soon as I upload. Here is clear hollow glitter from Glitter Planet, and here it is out of focus slightly so you can really see that sparkle. On camera you can never get the true effect of glitter, but if you just put it out of focus a little bit, you kind of get a glimpse of the magic. It is honestly such a beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous glitter, and honestly, because it's clear, it just adds a shimmer to anything you put it over. It's so stunning. So I'm using my clear acrylic, quite a wet bead, just picking up some glitter and applying that to the entire nail, and I'm going to continue that process on all of the other nails as well, and then I'll be capping in crystal clear acrylic from Nailmate, and I'll be back to kind of apply the foils. I do file them both off camera just because I'm working on a practice hand. I always find it just easier because it can get a little crazy. So this is before encapsulating in clear acrylic, but look how stunning clear hollow is. Absolutely beautiful. It kind of disappears in some lights and then it comes back and you just see all those rainbow of colours. So I'm going to be using Halloween foil set 1. You get 10 pieces in the set. They are available on my website and they are currently on sale because 2 of the foils have a slight mishap with printing and I obviously wasn't happy with that. So we are selling them at a reduced price. So if you want to grab those, go and get them now. They are really, it doesn't really affect the design, just don't accidentally put it on your nail. That's what I'm saying. It wouldn't be an issue if you did. All you can do is literally chop out the tiny little bit that's an issue or a misprint. And you can still use the rest of the foil. It doesn't really affect the use of the product. I just wouldn't feel right selling something or having something available on the website that wasn't up to standard. So we will be getting more made in the correct fashion. So they'll have some different text on there. But this batch is slightly faulty. I do that with a little thing with my fingers because it's not really faulty. But they just have a different text, what we didn't intend on there. So yeah, they're on sale and I'll leave the link down below for you guys because these foils are bomb. As you can see, I'm applying the Foil Mate Transfer Gel and I'm doing an even coat over the entire set. I cure in the light for 60 seconds and I'm coming in with my foil. Now, let me tell you, I love applying foils and this, I made it look so freaking hard work. The first one went fine. I was like, yes, we got this. The second one got stuck to the next one. I was like, oh God. And I do think, obviously, it's because I'm working on a practice hand. A client would be able to hold one finger out at a time. So nothing would get in the way. I definitely on a practice hand, if I was going to do a full lot of foils again, I would just do one nail at a time with the Foil Mate Transfer Gel, just because it is super sticky once you've cured it. And as you can see there, it took a little bit of the design, but once you've pressed something into it as well, that stick kind of goes away. So you need to make sure that you are putting into it what you want to stick to the nail. It was just a little bit fiddly because I was trying to hold the practice hand up as well as apply the foil, as well as keep the fingers separate. But yeah, other than that, I think everything went fan-dabby-dozy. The thing that's great about these foils as well is you can really choose any part of the design that you want to apply to the nail and pop it on there. So as you can see, I'm just popping a sweet here. Some of it doesn't come off because I'd already stuck my finger to it, like, yes. Anyway, never mind. And then I do a little bone at the top there, which is absolutely fine and comes off great. So this is a close-up of the look, and even though some bits didn't transfer well because I'd already stuck either my finger to it or the foil to it accidentally, it still looked bomb. Like the design was still popping. It looked like Halloween fun, super cute, and I don't know, it just looked pretty awesome, even though I got those candy corn colours the wrong way around, but never mind. So now I'm coming in with super gloss top coat and top coating all of the nails, curing for 60 seconds, and then sharing with you the final result. Okay guys, so here is the final result. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you love this look. Even though I kind of failed, it still turned out pretty popping, I think. Yeah, I do love it. Anyway, don't forget to check out the foils. They're on sale now, limited time only. Well, until they sell out, of course. Yeah, thanks for watching, and always remember that you are bomb.com lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye! See you later, alligator.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.